Increase the fuel pressure in your Ford 6-liter diesel with the XDP Fuel Pressure Regulator Blue Spring Upgrade Kit. Designed as a direct fit replacement for the factory components, the XD272 Blue Spring Upgrade Kit is a must-have on all 6-liter diesel trucks. The elevated pressures from the XD272 increase overall drivability and help to prevent damage to your injectors while increasing longevity of vital fuel system components. The XDP Blue Spring Kit provides approximately a 10 psi increase in fuel pressure and is perfect for both stock or modified vehicles. So if you're looking to maintain the health of your Ford 6-liter diesel, consider the XDP Fuel Pressure Regulator Blue Spring Upgrade Kit. It's a simple yet effective upgrade that can make a big difference to the health of your engine. Get yours today at xdp.com or contact a local dealer near you.